Good evening, adventurers from the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World, Florida. We are here tonight for some entertainment on a late night Friday, and we have a fast pass for Pirates first. We did not realize when we decided to come here tonight that tonight is a Villains After Hours party, so the parks are extra busy tonight. Hopefully we can still get on some rides other than just our fast passes. But we'll see. We'll see how the party. We'll see how the parks look just before a party. As we head off into Adventureland, there are a lot of people heading out. Not so many people going in. Hopefully, that's a good sign that we're going the right direction tonight. Skipper Canteen is busy tonight. We've eaten there before. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link to the video from when we were there down in the description. Dead men tell no tales. I wonder why they did away with the fog effect here. Dead men tell no tales. Oh, see, today the fog is all gone. Get a good clear shot of the ship and the captain here.
You miserable cur! Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroacher! Surrender, Captain Jack!
Quit your cocking! You did not want the rum! Don't you, boys?
Keep still.
Hard as yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
You know this song, Tyler? Feel free to join in anytime.
That was interesting. In the ship scene there, for some reason today, the cannons were extra splashy and getting everybody wet. But we are going to head now to the magic carpets because the kids really enjoy that ride. All right, here we go. We're gonna have a view of Agrabah at night. Oh, there's the castle. Ooh. I can show you the world. And we're coming in for a landing.
Comes to a complete
Boom. Now we're going to go on a ride that we have not been on in quite a while. The Astro Orbiter. And if we time this right, we might be on it during the fireworks, which would be really cool. So the fireworks have just started up here. Hopefully we get our turn on the ride while they're still going on, because I'd really like to see that from the Astro Orbiter. You ready for your first ride on the Astro Orbiter?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna take us up high?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, one.
The fireworks are still going on, so we're gonna get to see fireworks from the ride. Very exciting. All right, let's take off. Here we go, ready for liftoff. There's the Contemporary. Here we go. Woohoo! Castle and fireworks. What an opportunity. Flying high.
Fly down.
up high. Here we go. We're kicking in the afterburners. Get ready to go faster. Woo! Oh, wow, it goes so fast. Awesome.
How do you think that was?
That went well. Oh, they are so hard to get out of. My gosh. So how did you like your first ride on the Astro Orbiter, buddy? Yeah. The Astro Orbiter was so much fun, and we got the perfect timing to see the fireworks. Now we're gonna run over to Seven Dwarfs because this is probably our best opportunity to get on without a fast pass. All right, well, that was a no-go. Apparently, everybody else in the park had the same idea because the wait is 2 hours long from this point. All right, well, since we bombed out on the mine train and we're over here anyway, the consolation prize is going to be the Little Mermaid ride.
Are you tired? Yeah, me too. It's been a long day with these crabs. Well, anyway, Ariel fell in love with a zoo. Then King Triton got all mad and told Sebastian the crab to wash over. Want some dancing and
Where they walk, where they run, wish I could be part of that world. I got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
Life under the sea.
Oh, sounds like a party. Under the sea.
The fish on the land ain't happy, but they said goes the is gold. But fish in the bowl is lucky.
Guess who's gonna be on that plane? Uh-oh.
Under the sea, under the sea.
Ariel, she swam this way. I am in the nest. They were killing me, they called me girl a witch.
What you better do it soon.
No time will be better. Wow, 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 wow. And she won't say a word until you kiss me, girl. Sing with me now. Kiss me, girl. Wow, wow.
Happily ever after. They also all lived in a big castle, which ain't so bad either.
That's a fun ride and very colorful. I have not seen that movie in a very long time. I have the urge now to see the Little Mermaid movie. All right, so last ride of the night, the wait time on Seven Dwarfs actually dropped all of a sudden down to 50 minutes, so we're doing it. Since we're gonna be in this line for a while, I might as well show you some of the interactive, I believe these react to touch. Do they react to touch, or do they just light up randomly? I don't think so. I don't think they light up when you touch them. I think they just light up normally, right?
No, it only lights up.
Oh no, that one did.
It only lights up.
Maybe only certain ones do it?
Only if it blinks.
Oh, so that one lit up.
That one lit up. Which one?
That one lit up. Yeah, it must react to touch somehow. There we go. And then you can do it again. See? Yeah, it definitely, something about touching it makes stuff light up, and there's a sound that goes with it. All right, we've made it to the inside area where the barrels spin and then the picture shows up on the ceiling. Hi-ho, we're almost there. Hi-ho, here we go. we got to ride on the Dwarf's mine train, so we can go home happy now. Wow, so be aware, if you come here on a Villains After Hours party night, they make you walk all the way around the outside through Tomorrowland and out behind Main Street. They do not let you anywhere near the castle. You cannot see the show. Don't even try. All right, well, that will be all from us tonight here in the Magic Kingdom. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now it's your turn. Come on down, join the adventure, and I'll see you next time.